Google Play gift cards that show already used usually mean the code has already been redeemed, the balance was added to another Google account, or the gift card needs purchase verification. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check why a Google Play gift card says it was already used, and what steps to take next. Start by checking your Google Play balance. Open the Google Play Store, tap your profile picture, and check the account balance to see whether the gift card funds are already available. If the balance appears, the code was successfully redeemed. Google Play gift cards are connected to the Google account where the code was first claimed. Next, check that you are signed into the correct Google account. Many people use multiple Gmail addresses, and the gift card balance may be attached to a different account. Open the Google Play Store account menu and switch between any Google accounts you normally use. Check the balance on each account to find where the gift card was added. If someone gave you the gift card, ask whether they redeemed the code before sending it. A redeemed Google Play code cannot be added again to another account. If you purchased the gift card yourself, check your receipt, email confirmation, or order history. Keep the purchase details because Google support or the retailer may need them to verify the card. If the code is not working because it was entered incorrectly, try entering it again carefully. Check each character on the card and avoid confusing similar letters and numbers. If Google Play still says the gift card was already used, and you did not redeem it, contact Google support or the retailer where the card was purchased. Provide the gift card details, purchase receipt, store information, and the exact message shown during redemption. Support can check the gift card status and help identify whether it was redeemed or activated correctly. Avoid sharing your Google Play gift card code with anyone online. A valid code can be redeemed by anyone who has access to it. If the gift card came from a third-party seller, contact that seller because purchase verification may be required before the issue can be resolved. To recap, check your Google Play balance, verify the correct Google account, keep your receipt, and contact support if the code was used without your permission. Your next step is to open Google Play and check every Google account you use before trying anything else. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Google troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.